do this. I don't care. I can still have a home.
Huh?
Or you just party all over again.
Yeah, and I don't need you.
And I don't need your help. I have my own friends.
I have
They
my
have
own.
a home.
Yeah.
But guess who the friends are?
Mommy and Daddy. Eh, you have a friend there, si Dave, saka classmates mo.
Yeah.
Your other classmates, not all of your classmates are going to do that. If only, okay?
Okay. And then when I get back home, I'm gonna
You
be
tell
like
Mommy and
this.
Daddy.
I'm gonna be like this. Mommy. Here. Hello. Someone did this, like to do drugs.
I will
But
tell.
that's like mommy.
Sabihin ko. What did you do? Did you do it?
Look, it's obvious you can tell. Do I look hurt or something? Of course not.
Kaya nga, if you, every time your classmates ask you that, you talk to daddy, ha? You tell daddy, okay?
What if your friend says, look, come on, we're having a party.
O, dito na kumakain, ba't tumatay?
Having a party.
O, di sabihin mo, we can have my party on my own, or I can attend your party,
No,
but
Dad.
I can attend your party, but I will not do drugs, and I will not drink alcohol. But,
It's a good friend. The friend is like, no, we're not doing that today. My friends are not alcoholic.
very good. You can go
Look
attend
like
it.
this. All right. Then we're all set to go.
Ubus na yan, konti na lang. Ayun na lagi, you always tell daddy and mommy. Sabi mo, daddy, mommy, they're asking me to do drugs, and they ask me to do smoke, and to drink. Okay.
To drink what? To drink
To
what?
drink alcohol. Go.
It's my biggest fear.
What?
I have three of them as well.
What?
One, drinking alcohol. Two, smoking. Three,
Doing
doing
drugs.
drugs.
Very good. That's your fear. Very good. Never do that, ha? Sabi mo, you are sick because you always have always go to the doctor, di ba? If you do that, you will go to the doctor again.